Sri Raja Rajeshwarim in Raga Lalita set to Rupakatala. The majestic glory of Sri Raja Rajeshwari comes alive in the very subtle, delicate, supple movement of Raga Lalita set to a 6-count tala, that is Rupaka. Being an ardent practitioner of Sri Vidya, a special branch of spiritual pursuit, Vadiyar uses either Sri Vidya or Chit Prabhananda, his Diksha Nama, as his pen name or mudra in his compositions usually. And in some he uses both. And this composition is an instance where he uses both the mudras. Sri Vidya Chit Prabhananda Raja Yogindra Vanditam. The very smooth flow of Sahitya is so mellifluous, very melodious to hear, with a profusion of amkaras in perpetual alliteration. Look here. Shubhadam, Lalitam, Hrillekamanim, Mahashodashim, Mantramayim, Sampatpradayinim, Sri Chakravasinim, Sadayam, Amnaya Kshetra Sthitam, Sri Nagalinga Priyam, Brahmarambikam, Chit Prabhananda Raja Yogindra Vanditam, Sri Raja Rajeshwarim. So many amkaras. So this Shodashakshari mantra, which he refers to, is the holy incantation to worship Sri Vidya, which is venerable even to the Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. There is also a reference to Navavaranas, or the 9 enclosures of Sri Chakra, worshipped by the primordial sage Agastya, the consort of Lopamudra, at the sacred Vedic thrones which form the very substratum of the 6 energy centers. In Raga Lalita, there is no pa, the 5th note. Panchama is not there, but there are many panch notes which bring out the Lalitya, Madhurya, Mrudutva, Komalata of the goddess. The softness, the tenderness, her love, her empathy, compassion, mercy on her devotees.
Shri Raja Rajeshwari Lalita, Hrillekha श्रीविद्या तत्त्वशक्तिं महाषोडशी श्रीविद्या तत्त्वशक्तिं महाषोडशी श्रीविद्या तत्त्वशक्तिं महाषोडशी श्रीपति शिववीर्यचार्योपासितमन्त्रमयी जगन्मोहिनी श्रीराजराजेश्वरी श्रीविद्या तत्त्वशक्तिं महाषोडशी श्रीपति शिववीर्यचार्योपासितमन्त्रमयी जगन्मोहिनी श्रीराजराजेश्वरी आश्रयामि शुभदां ललितां हृल्लेखमणि सदा श्रीराजराजेश्वरी सर्वसम्पत्प्रदायिनीं नवावरण सर्वसम्पत्प्रदायिनीं नवावरण श्रीचक्रवासिनी सदयां लोपामुद्रावत्यग